Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to save Instagram stories with music. If you want to save Instagram stories with music, so let's see how can you do this. First, you have to open Instagram app and here open the story which you want to save. As I'm going to save this one, so just tap on it, then tap on share and then tap on copy link. As you can see the link hasn't copied. Now go back, open browser. In browser, you just have to search for a website which is named Save Insta. Just search for it and then you just have to open the first website and here just paste the copied link and then tap on download. And after that the story will be downloaded with the music. It will take a time and here you can see the story has been going to download. Just tap on download video and after that you can see his that's downloaded. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.